Hey, Steve Mansker with Cave Tools here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the extra long skewers by Cave Tools. These are made of an extra thick stainless steel, which means you can load these up with food and they'll never bend on you. They come in at a full 17 inches long, so you can make enough food for the entire party. These have a unique food remover at the bottom. You simply slide up once your food has been cooked, and they come off with ease. Since these are made from stainless steel, cleanup is a breeze. You can throw them in your dishwasher. Now these skewers also include a nice canvas bag to conveniently hang on the side of your grill or inside your pantry. Today we're going to be making steak kebabs with plenty of veggies, so we're going to go ahead and grab our food and get started. You'll notice both meat and veggies load with ease every time. We're going to go ahead and get this finished up and over to the grill. So instead of putting our kebabs directly on the grill grates, we're going to be using our new Cave Tools kebab rack. And this will prevent them from touching the grates and prevent any hot spots or burning. So to use, we're simply going to grab our kebabs and place them on the kebab grates. And we're going to let these go and check back in here in a few minutes. Flipping the kebabs can easily be accomplished by grabbing the flat handle at the end and giving them a turn. Looks like we've got some great color here, no burning going on. So we'll give these a bit longer and we'll check back in. Our kebabs turned out great. Removing the food can be accomplished in seconds using the removal ring here. Simply push from the bottom up and the food removes with ease every time. If you want to make perfect kebabs like this at home, pick up yours at cavetools.com.
Tired of struggling with barbecue skewers? Enjoy a better barbecue with Flapster Kitchen Barbecue Skewers. Flapster skewers have a unique push bar to effortlessly slide your food onto your plate, keeping it neatly intact. No more mess or burnt fingers. Made from high-quality, rust-proof steel, the 16-inch sturdy skewers have a flat blade and angled tip, which makes them easy to turn without the meat and veggies falling off the sticks. They're easy to clean and dishwasher safe and will serve you for years to come. Flapster Kitchen barbecue skewers come in a set of 8 and include a neat and convenient storage bag and a 30-day money-back guarantee. No mess, no fuss, just skewer and slide.